Ekiragiro cy'enganzi y'ihanga Robina Nabbanja nikijeho bwanyuma yo kutunga kwetomba itakorwa mu bantu hamwe n'abebembezi bari kugira ngo abagiga bariyo nibateze ibyapa omu bibanje birumwa abantu.
Joel Sebikal, the MP for Toto constituency, is also interfering with people who want to get leases on public land. He says that the district can't handle, is the only person who can handle, but the public land belongs to the district land board. So we want you to caution that honorable MP to stop interfering in the processes where people want to get their land.
Right Honorable Prime Minister, is issue of Kagadi resettlement scheme. It's my prayer on behalf of the people of Kagadi that this resettlement scheme is removed so that people can be allowed to access titles like any other Ugandan in this country.
That one we shall reform Muzei.
It's okay.
The only problem we have is most of the land of absentee landlords have not been purchased. It is only one land title that was purchased, and most people are living on absentee landlord.
Minisita w'Ibitaka Judith Nabakoba nagira ngo abantu bareke kutora ubanje hari government ahabwo abaryangatanisa b'urukorwa ubukiko bw'amatako buryo mbiyanga byavo.
There is somewhere where I went ngabagamba tewaliwo bantu naye ng'ekitundu kijjuddeko ki abantu bangi kakati ekyo nakyo kyetaaga kubeera nti minisita yatuukawo nga mwe mwawandika report ne mugisayininga nti tekuliko bantu. District Land Board naye yeneeyongerako omukono ne Kawozi office neeyongerako omukono kati ate mukisindika waffe lwaki temutuula
bati papule mukubahereza ebyo some of them tumamenye bali yaki bagamba Nabbanja akatuleetera nnyo okusimbira sati kusaba sub county leaders babesere muri hanu na minister walandi zinayongeraho na tusomese abantu ekipapule kye kibamuhayire kikumanyisa ki.
Minisita w'enshonga za Bunyoro Jennifer Namuyangu nagira ngo enshonga yita ko muri Bunyoro ekwasira hansi na higuru.
Naddala mu Bunyoro kiyimiridde wabi nnyo. And yet we know land is a critical factor of production. Our people cannot transform socio-economically without land.
Ministry ebisazeemu abantu baffe bafunira. Can we get guidance from the Attorney General so that because our people will not stay like this forever?
Nabwanyuma enganzi y'ihanga Nabbanja yakwasa abantu ebyapa by'itaka 2030 ebikozirwe government. Gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.